just gonna rinse off the mussels to get any grit off the shells so that you make for really clean eating. Just make sure that all the mussels are really closed up. If you have a mussel that's slightly open, you wanna just give it a tap, right? To see if it closes back up, because sometimes they're taking a nap. Otherwise, if they stay open, just discard them. First things first, I wanna get my grill pan screaming hot, because the real fun in this is dropping those mussels in a single layer on the grill and just watching them start to pop open. It's incredible. Now, these mussels just need a little crunch, in my opinion, and I think nothing is better than a little toasted breadcrumbs. I like to start by heating about a half a cup of olive oil. I like to take just a few cloves of garlic, and I'm just gonna drop them and get them going. A little pinch of salt right on those garlic cloves and let them know who's boss. And with them, the breadcrumbs. And I like to use breadcrumbs that have already been toasted a little bit, so I already have that built-in flavor, and I'm just gonna enhance it. So then when I drop these little flavor missiles all over the mussels, it really brings them texturally and flavorfully to life. So now I want to add a little element of freshness. And I think the obvious choice with mussels, for me, is parsley. It has a wonderful, grassy, herby flavor that really counters the sweetness and the brininess of the mussels. So gather it up in a nice bundle. The fineness of your herbs should somewhat match the size of your breadcrumbs so that all these flavors really have a chance to get friendly with each other. I love parsley, but I always think that parsley could use that little extra something to make it extra special. And in this case, I'd say a tiny bit of mint, about 2 sprigs worth. Chop that up, and people will say, "What's in here?" And you'll say, "It's just chopped parsley." I don't know what you're talking about, right? And now it's time to combine the breadcrumbs with the fresh herbs. Now, just immediately transfer those breadcrumbs to a bowl and then add in those herbs. So I don't think this recipe would be even remotely the same if it weren't for that dry, intense heat of the grill. That's what's really gonna make the difference with this recipe. So, the moment of truth. Ready to cook our mussels. In order to get these grill ready, it is so easy, it's silly. I sort of feel silly telling you that it's as simple as mixing a little bit of oil, just tossing to coat the mussels in the oil. And now for that moment of truth, just toss them right on the grill. Now this is such a quick process that I literally stand over them and just pick them off the grill as they open up. And they're so dramatic. I love the way they kind of sizzle and then just give it up. I love that. You see they just kind of pop open right away. Right on the grill and then right off. I must say, before I even put the breadcrumbs on, I like to just sneak one. You know, no one's looking. Just taste that. You know, you get the taste of the grill on the shell. That's what makes it special for me. Now, to finish them off and really put them together, just pour them onto a platter. And now, sprinkle them with the breadcrumbs. Then I like to toss them a little bit. Kind of like tossing a salad. Just gently. I get that immediate underhint of the mint and the parsley, which is just making the smell of the mussels all that richer. It's amazing what the grill taste, that little bit of mint does. It's these little touches, these little choices that we made, particularly using the grill, that make these mussels unique to me.